Welcome to NSL East Luxoria, the pride of the East. Standing tall with 4 majestic towers spread across 7 acres, these 44-floor high-rises feature only 6 premium apartments per floor. With 80,000 square feet of royal amenities, NSL East Luxoria sets a new benchmark in East Hyderabad. Located next to the Rajiv Gandhi International Cricket Stadium and the Survey of India, it offers a unique blend of urban convenience and ample green space. Now, let's walk you through the latest construction updates. For Tower A, the 4 basement levels are complete. The sewage treatment plant structure is finished. The stilt floor is complete, and the tower has reached the 12th floor. Work is now progressing on the 13th and 14th floors. For Tower B, the 5 basement levels are complete. The first floor construction is underway. Finally, the foundation for the state-of-the-art clubhouse has also been laid. Thank you for joining us in this journey. Stay tuned for more updates from NSL East Luxoria.